So today I wanted to talk with you guys about this really cool startup called Nimiq. And it's a blockchain startup, and I believe they're having their ICO starting today. So I'd like to talk with you about what I think is cool about this project and maybe consider supporting them in some way, investing in the ICO or otherwise, supporting them. So first of all, what I like about this project is the way that they're approaching the project. These guys, from what I understand, they put out a couple of videos, a bunch of videos, vlog, kind of on their process and showing their work environment and their approach. And it looks like, I guess they're based in Costa Rica, and they have these really cool open air offices kind of in the rainforest. So they're creating this application or this technology in this beautiful environment, surrounded with a lot of the locals who are inspiring them to create something that's kind of to be used for, a billion people in the world, not just the people in, they're not building something for just these pockets of people in San Francisco and places like that. I love their approach. I love their attitude. They're a bunch of young guys. And so what they're doing is they're building this blockchain technology. It's not exactly Ethereum. It's kind of their own blockchain, and it's a light blockchain. So the problem they're solving, and I think a lot of people recognize this potential problem with Ethereum, is the idea that as you replicate the blockchain database across all the various nodes, the different computers running the blockchain, that database, the blockchain itself gets larger and larger and larger to the point where it's hard to imagine how you'd be able to conduct every kind of transaction or run every kind of computation across this blockchain because it just gets so massive. I'm sure Ethereum's going to solve this and other technologies are going to solve this, but Nimiq is already claiming to have solved this. They are building a blockchain that is kind of a light blockchain that runs on the browser. So it takes just a subset of the entire data and verifies that. Again, these guys probably can explain it a lot better than me because I just kind of read their website. But I'd love to meet them. I think this is the type of thing that we'll see more of. I've been a big proponent of Ethereum, and I believe that Ethereum can be, the revolution, the decentralization revolution. But there are a lot of issues to be solved, and it's very early in the game, and we don't know who will end up coming on top. I think what's important is to understand the significance of blockchain technology, of decentralized applications. Whether they're Ethereum, whether they're something else, whether it's Nimiq or something else, maybe it's not that important. What's important is that we're not relying on a centralized server that can be controlled by centralized power, that can be where we can be monitored, where we can have all the problems we run into with a centralized system. And as long as someone's going to build a truly decentralized, unstoppable application or platform, me as a dApp developer, the InfoBeing IM app, I would love to work with someone like Nimiq and make that the killer app for their platform. I don't know. We're going to go with whatever blockchain, whatever decentralized peer-to-peer technology makes the most sense. It's important. I've been around since the XML days and those kinds of things, and I remember back in the 90s, I thought XML was going to change the world, and sometimes you can let a technology you can become a purist for a buzzword or for a specific technology, and you can kind of lose sight of what you're trying to do. And the most important thing is what are you trying to build? What are the capabilities? What are the potential downsides? How do you anticipate that? How do you what is the best approach to maximize performance and time to market and these kinds of things? And I think that Nimiq is a fantastic idea. I hope this goes far. It's early, of course, but I love what these guys are doing, the way they're doing it, and I just wanted to wish you guys all the best. Good luck with the ICO and good luck with your project. I'd love to help in some way.